What's up, everybody? Today we're just going to work on the Go programming language. First of all, we're just going to go through printing out a string, and then what we're going to do is do some addition. Let's go. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're just going to make a directory. So we're going to do make directory, and let's call this world. Why not? Okay, and we're just going to go cd into that world, and from here is where we're going to actually place our file. So here's our empty file. We're just going to save that. We're going to go to world. There's world in there, and I'm just going to name this hello. Gotta make sure you have that dot go in. For Visual Studio, there is an extension, so you can have the Go programming line for Visual Studio. So we're going to go package main. This is how we always start our Go programming language. Then what we're going to do is import fmt. We're going to create a function, which in Go is just func, and then we're just going to call it main. And in this is where we're going to print it. So we're going to do print, no f. We do fml, then print ln, and we're going to do hello world. So if we save this, we can do here, and then in order to run your Go program, what you have to do is you have to do go run and the file name hello go. There you go, hello world. Okay, next we're going to do is we're going to add some string values, so like adding addition and things like that. So again, it's the same thing, so fmt, and what we're going to do is just do the same print ln in here. What we're going to do is we're going to do what is 7 plus 7 equals, and this is where we're going to do this quotation, a comma, and we do 7. We're just going to do 7 plus 7. And in here this is how the Go programming languages understand what you're adding together. So we're going to hit save there, and we're going to do the same thing. Go run hello go. There you go. So now it's 7 plus 7 equals 14. Technically, we didn't need an extra space. And what we can also do that is for string values. So we can do that. Print ln, and what we're going to do is we can write hello comma, and then what we're going to do, add the plus and then say world, and that will also do the same thing. So go run hello go, boom, and there it is. That's just some introduction to the Go programming language. I hope you guys kind of learned a little from this. Just wanted to try this out and see if it works. Well, catch you guys later. Check out some other videos I may have, and thank you for watching.